Okay, you guys, now I'm inside the park model cabin. So this is the part that's kind of open that we are going to bump out and make a breakfast room, and it'll be onto the deck. I'm going to close this so no bugs get in. That's my kitchen behind me. So I'm going to do some things to that, some staining and all of that to the kitchen, change that a little bit. So it'll look drastically different when you guys get the chance to see it. And then all the way back is the bedroom area. So pantry's here. In here, you probably can't see it really good. It's a bunk room. There's some materials and stuff in there that we have to throw out, but it's bunk beds in there, which will be nice for when people sleep over. And then in the living room, I'm going to have a sectional that lets out into a queen size bed. This here is the linen closet. And then of course the furnace system. Here's that door that you guys were looking at from the outside. The master bedroom's here. And here is the bathroom. And this is going to be totally reworked. What I like about this bathroom is the fact that it has a skylight. I really like that a lot. So I'm going to kind of redo the bathroom. It'll look all together different. Redo the flooring in the bathroom. It does have a full tub and shower. So even though it is technically a tiny house and it's like 400 square feet, it does have a full shower. So you can either take a bath or a shower in here. It's not really clean, so excuse it. But that gives you an idea what it looks like. Now for the bathroom, there's two doors. This door here leads to the master bedroom, and this door here leads to the hallway, or you can, right across, you can go right outside. So here's the master bedroom. And sorry there's no lighting. My electrician guy has to come and still do the wiring so we can have lights. Back in here, excuse this, is where the breaker and everything is. So hopefully my electrician can figure all that stuff out. I'll leave that open for him. We got built-in dressers. This is kind of old-fashioned to me, this mirror. I may leave it, but I'm thinking about getting rid of it. But this is a nice full-size closet. And this particular park model did come with a bed. But I think I'm going to change out the mattress. It does have a ceiling fan, which I'm going to change out. But I am going to keep the ceiling fan in here because it's really nice. And then we have windows all the way around. The windows I like because it looks out onto my yard back there. So that's nice. A lot of work to do in here. This looks out to this side, and it'll be nice because we'll have the bonfire and the wraparound porch and everything out there, and we'll be able to see it from the bedroom. There's some work to do in here, that's for sure. Anyway, go back through this way. Now, in the living room, that opening that you see, all those materials are in my living room right now. So I didn't want to show you the living room at first, but I'll just give you a quick glance. So we're going to throw all of this stuff outside because we don't need any of this. And then my sectional, it'll barely fit, but it'll be nice. It'll be nice and cozy in here. So that's what we're going to do. And that's about it. So hope you enjoyed the tour. Of course, I'll have more to